Hi class, it's Dr. Janachek here. I just wanted to send a little note and video in advance of our first class meeting to make sure that everyone's on the same page about how this course, Rhetorics of Diversity and Inclusion, will be structured as an online course. So we won't have any synchronous class meetings where we'll all get together and meet at the same time, except for the last week of class when we're going to try to do a class-wide Zoom meeting to showcase the group projects that you're going to work on over the course of the semester. But there will be other means of engagement and assignments due and readings, etc. So it's important to note that each module will be introduced on a Monday, and then you'll typically have assignments due Wednesdays and Saturdays. Okay, so Wednesday and Saturday nights at 11:59 p.m. is typically when assignments will be due. So each module begins on a Monday and ends on a Saturday, with Sunday sort of an off day. So it'll be important for you to read through the weekly announcements I'll send, sort of reminding you of what's upcoming, and then reading the module overview page each Monday and sort of mapping out the work to be done, and how you're going to plan time to complete the different assignments. Because this isn't an in-person class, that time that would have been spent meeting in person is then moved to other forms of engagement like discussion board posts, which serve as a replacement for in-class discussion, which is why, and if you haven't already done so, I recommend that you go through and read the course syllabus very carefully now and contact me if you have any questions about any policies. In terms of late work, I do not accept discussion board posts or response posts late because it's like in-class discussion. And so, if you're posting response posts a week late, nobody's gonna really go back and read them. It doesn't really serve anybody's purpose. It doesn't add value to the conversation that we're trying to have asynchronously about these important topics. So note that discussion board posts and response posts are not accepted late, regardless of circumstance. I say regardless of circumstance, but if like your computer dies at 11:59 p.m. in your middle of submitting it, reach out to me. Obviously, I'm not going to be a jerk about it, but we're trying to have real dialogue about these issues in an online forum, and so we have to do it the best way that we can, which is not having people posting at all kinds of times and not engaging in the current conversation at the same time. So that's a note about that deadline. All other work will be accepted up to 1 week late with a grade penalty. And if you need an extension for something, contact me as far in advance as possible, and I'm happy to review those on a case-by-case basis. If you have specific accommodations, please email those to me or schedule time to meet with me via Zoom meeting or call as soon as possible so that we can discuss how to best meet your needs in the course. And I'm happy to provide any support that you feel will help your success in the course. So I think that is about it for now. Go ahead and read the syllabus, post to do those initial read-throughs on the first welcome module. You can watch the Meet Your Instructor video and read about the technical requirements for the course and other things like that, so that you are ready to go Monday the 26th when Module 1 is introduced. And you should also post to the welcome discussion board so we can all introduce ourselves and get to know each other and form, a good community, even though we're meeting online. It's still important to form a digital community so that we can get personal and get active and get engaged while we talk about these topics. So I look forward to learning more about you and seeing your work this course in the semester. It's going to be a really great course, and I am very excited.